Ever wish you could do a freestanding handstand? Hi, this is me, Bonnie. I always wanted to, but I've never really practiced, so I definitely can't show you how. But a fellow American Ninja Warrior and aerialist, Eliannah, agreed to share her 6-day free handstanding tutorial. So make sure you follow her on IG at Eliannah. Day 6, final day of freestanding handstand tutorials, and also the scariest day. I felt so far away from the wall, and still I can't balance myself without falling yet. So it definitely requires practice and patience, but it is a worthy goal.
Today's going to be the last day of my handstand at home tips, handstand in quarantine. And I hope today you know everything you need to know to do your real first free balancing handstand. So just to go over some stuff, when you start practicing more, you're really going to want to do a wrist warm up, really going to want to do a shoulder warm up. So wrist warm up, rolling them, putting pressure on the floor, going in a circle. You can flip your hands over, you can pull your wrist back, and a shoulder warm-up is going to be these plank scapular retractions. All right, so I'm going to go back to where we left off before, and I think this will be your first free balancing handstand for most people. So you're going to give yourself a generous, this looks to me 18 inches. So I'm doing a split handstand, lunging into it like we went over. And I'm going for a split about this size. And I'm just going to try to balance in that V split. So 18 inches apart, and I'm tapping off the wall. And then I'm just holding my split handstand, pushing out of my shoulders. I have weight in my fingertips, and I'm just using that back leg to just tap off the wall, and then I just come down the same way with my dominant leg in front, back in that lunge. There's no switching of the legs in this, just keep one leg in front and stick with it. And guys, for ongoing practice, once you're comfortable falling, you're really going to want to move to belly against the wall. This is what almost all professional hand balancing people will tell you. When you do belly against the wall, you don't build the bad habits of the banana back because you're forced to really do it correctly. So belly against the wall. I feel comfortable doing this because I know how to fall. I would not recommend being in a tight space if you're new to this. So belly against the wall, when I practice, I'm like this. And then if I need rest, I just come down. And then I cartwheel off to the side. Okay, so try that split handstand. Let me know if you get some hang time in your free balancing handstand. If you have any handstand challenges for me, any questions, I love talking about handstands and all kinds of weird exercise challenges. So best of luck, guys. I just hope everyone's really holding up, taking care of themselves, and reaching out to loved ones, and we'll get through this together.
And that's it for our free 6-day free handstanding tutorial from Eliannah. I hope you guys really enjoyed the mini series. Thank you so much, Eliannah, for sharing your tips and advice. So guys, let us know, how far did you get? Let us know in the comments below. I obviously have not mastered it yet, but I got way further than I ever had in my entire life. So for that, I am grateful, and I will be practicing, and when I get it, I am definitely going to be sharing that. Thanks guys for watching, and I hope you're all doing well and safe. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more. If you're sick of feeling stuck with all the diets out there, busting your butt in the gym and things still not panning out, not really getting the results you want, then I have some good news. I'm hosting a free online training that's going to help you discover the single biggest mistake that gym goers are making that cause every diet to end in failure. How to eat foods you love without feeling guilty or miserable and still get results. And the simple mindset hack that a lot of celebrities and TV stars use year-round to get results, and a lot more. It's going to be called Secrets to Get a Confident Toned Body and Live a Powerful, Healthy Life Without Crazy Dieting or Feeling Deprived. So to learn more on RSVP, simply go to www.eatnotdiet.com/early access.